Before diving into buying Trendsi, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know that could make or break your decision. In this video, I'll give you a concise, no-fluff breakdown of what Trendsi is really like and how it stacks up against competitors like Shopify or BigCommerce so you can make an informed choice before committing. Now, the first thing you should know is that Trendsi is a cloud-based platform designed for e-commerce businesses, primarily those who are into dropshipping fashion. It offers a wide range of products and integrates seamlessly with Shopify and other e-commerce platforms. But unlike other options, Trendsi focuses heavily on fashion, offering a curated selection of clothing and accessories from suppliers all over the world. So, if you're in the fashion niche, this could be a great solution, but you might want to look elsewhere if you're in other industries, like electronics or home goods. Next thing to consider is the ease of use. Trendsi offers a very user-friendly interface, especially when compared to Shopify, which can be overwhelming for beginners. Getting started with Trendsi is relatively straightforward. You can add products to your online store with a single click, and the platform handles the inventory management and order fulfillment. The setup process is faster than you might think, so if you're just starting out or want to add fashion to your existing store, Trendsi makes it easy to scale without a huge time commitment. The third thing you need to know is about Trendsi's pricing structure. While you can sign up for free, their paid plans come with extra features like more advanced analytics and access to higher tier suppliers. But here's the kicker. Unlike competitors like Oberlo, which charges for product imports or Shopify's monthly fees, Trendsi is mostly free to start, which could save you a significant amount of money while you're testing the waters with dropshipping. The fourth thing is inventory management. This is one of the standout features of Trendsi. When it comes to dropshipping, inventory management can be a headache, especially with fashion. What makes Trendsi different is its real-time stock updates. Unlike competitors, where you often have to manually update stock levels, Trendsi syncs directly with your store, which means you won't have to deal with running out of stock at the worst possible moment. Another crucial factor is shipping and fulfillment times. Unlike some platforms that have slow or unreliable shipping times, Trendsi offers relatively fast fulfillment, especially if you're working with suppliers in North America. However, if you're looking for international shipping options, you might want to double-check the suppliers in the region you're targeting, as shipping times can vary depending on location. Next, let's talk about customer service. Trendsi stands out for having a solid customer support team that's available 24/7. When you're starting a dropshipping business, the last thing you want is to get stuck with an issue and not have anyone to turn to. Compared to platforms like BigCommerce or Shopify, Trendsi support feels more accessible, which could save you a lot of time and frustration down the road. The final thing to note is Trendsi's product catalog. While it's extensive, it's not as massive as other platforms like AliExpress, which offers virtually anything under the sun. But the quality of products on Trendsi is often better curated and offers a higher chance of selling trendy, fashionable items that your customers will love. Keep in mind though, if you're looking for niche items or rare products, you might not find them here, as the catalog is focused specifically on fashion. If all this sounds like a good fit for your business, you can try Trendsi for completely free. Just click the first link in the description below to start your free trial and explore the platform's full range of features, plus get some exclusive benefits when you sign up through that link. So, there you have it. 7 key things you need to know before diving into buying Trendsi. If you're interested, don't forget to click that first link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits.